Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming prerequisites, an admin account and a current backup, because encryption changes disk access. Once ready, open System Settings, go to Privacy and Security, then select Filevault. Click Turn on Filevault to begin. At this point, you're initiating the encryption process. Make sure power is connected for laptops and avoid interrupting the first encryption pass. This step begins creating the recovery options and preparing user access. So proceed now to pick your recovery method. Next, decide how you'll recover access. Sign in with your Apple ID to use iCloud Recovery or generate a local recovery key and store it safely. This choice affects how you regain access if you forget your password. Then confirm which user accounts can unlock the disk. Toggle each admin or standard user as appropriate. Once accounts are enabled, Filevault may prompt a restart to begin encryption. Allow that restart, because the process can only encrypt the drive when the system cycles correctly. Finally, verify that Filevault is encrypting by returning to Privacy and Security and watching the progress indicator. Encryption runs in the background, so you can continue work but keep the Mac powered. Once it reaches 100%, your disk is fully encrypted. Make sure you have your recovery key stored in a safe place. If you lose access, use that key or your Apple ID recovery option to unlock. Troubleshooting tip: if you can't use a recovery key and iCloud fails, contact Apple support before attempting destructive.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.